So you have a nice animation with baked root motion. The problem is that the displacement length is fixed. The solution is Animation Editor Pro's procedural root motion. First, add a new strip with the existing animation and enable the in-place setting to stop the baked root motion. After that, increase the animation repeat to get the desired motion length. Then, add a new strip and enable the Displacement Modifier setting to move the root bone procedurally. Select the index and a proper speed to avoid foot slipping. If you want to increase the displacement length even more, it is as simple as increasing the animation repeat in the walking strip again, and then typing the corresponding action end frame in the displacement strip. And that's it.